Semiconductors have been on a roll lately. We're seeing big gains for those stocks, up more than 50% so far this year. But do the fundamentals support those moves? Courtney Donahoe's tracking that for us in the newsroom. And Courtney, I'm seeing actually a 90% gain since November.
Yeah, big gains for these stocks. But a lot of companies, they're saying that they're seeing a lot of demand and a lot of rebound in the tech space. We're also hearing a lot about that from analysts. They're saying the same thing, too. The SIA, Semiconductor Industry Association, they said that they saw 5 straight months of improving sales for the semiconductor industry. And lots of chip makers that we've been hearing from, like Texas Instruments, Intel, two names that come to mind, they have definitely seen improving outlooks. But do the fundamentals support these gains that we're seeing? Well, Chris Rung, he's a colleague of mine in Princeton. We looked through the numbers, and we wanted to see how many companies have improved their gross margins quarter over quarter and over the most recent consecutive quarters. And of the 18 members, only 3 saw that gain from quarter to quarter. And we tried for 3 consecutive gains, but but no stocks ended up coming up with that. So I immediately called Manpreet Singh. He's a research analyst at Profit Investment Management, and I asked him if he was surprised by the results. And he said he thought there would actually be more than 3 that would appear. At one point, he was talking to me, too, and he said, would one company be SanDisk on the list? And I did tell him it was. Gross margins up 34% for SanDisk, and Singh sees demand in the flash space, he said, and price increases have been happening month over month for the company. And also, Bank of America upgraded the stock to a buy today. They see dramatic earnings recovery for the company. But another stock on the list is Micron, too. They're a computer memory chip maker, and they're the best performer in the S&P so far this year. We talked about it earlier this week. And National Semiconductor is the other stock that we found on the list. Gross margins up 61% so far. Now, David Garrity of GVA Research, I was talking to him, and he says next quarter we're going to see a lot more names on the list because of the economic recovery that we're seeing. But if you are looking for the search, you can contact me at cdonahoe@bloomberg.net, CDONOHOE. Mark?
Courtney Donahoe. Courtney, thanks.